Welcome, today in front of me DOOGEE S95 Pro, and I'll show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant from the function key on this device. This function key is here on the left side of your phone. So now just go to the settings, and here on the right upper corner you will see the function. Tap there, and now just tap to the smart key icon. Now if you will tap here to the open app, you can select the assistant, and by double click you can open the Google Assistant. If you want, you can switch that to the one click, or also to the long press this function button. For example, I'll show you how you can do that by the same way. And now if you will click once on this button, you will open the Google Assistant. If you want to turn it off, just tap here to the no operation, and as can you see, you can't open the Google Assistant. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.